Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be diving into some of the things that you're going to want to know before buying a home in Hamilton, Ontario. And whether you're a first-time home buyer or you've been around the block a few times, there's always something new to learn when it comes to finding your dream home. And before we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. And hold on 1 second. Hello? Yeah, I just told them. Yeah, I know. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I told them already. Yep. Hey man, you don't have to yell at me, okay? I'm trying my best here. Ooh, so guys, that was just my producer. He's not happy that people haven't been liking and subscribing to the channel. So please do so as soon as possible. Otherwise, I'm going to be in real big trouble. So first things first, let's talk about understanding your budget. Buying a home comes with a lot of financial considerations, from your down payment to closing costs and everything in between. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your finances, and it's best to speak to a mortgage professional before you go house hunting in order to gain a clear picture of how much house you can actually afford, get yourself pre-approved for a mortgage, and to see if you can actually stomach those monthly payments. Wait, it's how much per month? Oh, I think I'm going to be sick. Hamilton offers a diverse range of neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and amenities. When choosing a neighborhood, you're going to want to consider various factors such as highway access, proximity to schools, parks, public transportation, and so on. Safety and property values are also crucial considerations that should be taken into account. You will want to consider how far the neighborhood is from things like your workplace, your family, your friends, and the local bar. For that last one, closer is definitely better. Now that you have a budget and a neighborhood in mind, it's time to think about the house itself, mainly your needs and your wants. So what are the must-have features that you can't live without, and what are the nice-to-have elements that wouldn't be deal breakers if you had to sacrifice them? These are going to be important to identify in advance so that you know what you're actually looking for when you're going out house hunting. Another important consideration is that your first home does not have to be your forever home. Now, this might not be what you want to hear, but sometimes it's better to just get into the market, and then after a few years, once you've built up some equity and your buying power increases, then you can sell the home and upgrade to something you like just a little bit better. Now that you have your priorities in mind, it's time to begin the home buying process. And this is where the fun begins, or the stress. So this includes viewing houses, making offers, negotiating terms and price, and finally closing the deal. It may seem overwhelming at first, but understanding this process can help to alleviate some of the stress and uncertainty that comes with making such a big financial decision. Throughout the home buying process, working with a professional real estate agent can make all the difference. They can help to guide you through the process, provide you with some valuable insights into the local markets, and they can also negotiate on your behalf to help you get the best deal possible. Although it's too bad that you don't happen to know any realtors that you can reach out to. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you found some value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Until then, I'll see you next time.